Okay guys, welcome back to another brand new After Effects tutorial, and in this tutorial I would like to share with you how to create this pretty animation in few minutes. Let's get started, shall we? Okay guys, the next thing we need to do now is we want to create a new composition. Okay, and I'm just gonna say and we have that. Now the next thing I want to do now is I want to create what we call a background. Okay, I'm just gonna say Control Y on my keyboard, and we're just gonna rename it as PG, and I'm just gonna leave it like that. Then the next thing I want to do now is I want to right click on my just try to right click. Then you want to go to new and create shape layer. Do you get it now? Okay, I'm just gonna leave this as and I want to go to up to this. Then you want to add what we call ellipse tool. Then we have things like that. Okay, now we can up to this again and increase the size of the ellipse tool. Okay, I'm just gonna go with that. The next thing I want to do now is I want to add what we call stroke to it. Okay, and I'm just gonna go with go to stroke. I'm just gonna go with, let's say, 15. I think I'm good with that. Go with that. Then we can add trim part to it. So let's add trim part. Then I want to up to this and say from the beginning of my animation. Okay, I'm just gonna add hand. Let the hand be 0 and 1%. 1 second. I'm just gonna increase it to 100. Then I should have things like this. Fantastic. Okay, we're getting back to actually, but this is not what I wanted. I want to you have to close this, go to stroke, please go to stroke and make sure you check this to round. Then you should have things like this. Very good, very good, fantastic. Now that you have things like this, now the next thing you want to do is go to start, and about 2 seconds make sure you set this to 100. Then you will have things like this. Very good, very good, very good, fantastic. Okay, now that we have this, now the next thing you want to do now is you want to go to this point and add ellipse tool. Okay, I'm just gonna drag and hold shift on my keyboard so a perfect shape. And once you have that, give it a color of your choice. I'm just gonna go with this kind of color. Everything is like this. Okay, I'm just gonna go with that. Make sure you check this to the middle, this to the middle. Okay, you can as well just press this key combination on your keyboard, Control Alt and Home. Then you have that at the middle. Now that you have that, now the next thing you want to do is make sure you center this to the middle. Okay, center it, you centralize it. Do you get it now? Then you want to click on X on your keyboard, then to resize it to your choice, to your desire. Okay, now that you have that, now the next thing you want to do now is literally, I'm just gonna up to this, I'm just gonna rename this, let's say path. Then you want to say okay, then you want to say, let's give this as circle. Very good, very good. Okay, up to this, they want to go to now. Okay, I want to go to ellipse tool, right click on it, then want to see convert to bezier path. Then click this and make sure you check on this and press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy that. Then go to your ellipse tool, your circle. Do you see that? Make sure you go to your circle. You can close this, go to your circle, press P on your keyboard, go to the beginning of your timeline, make sure you take it to the beginning. Okay, then you can have click on position and Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste that. Do you get it now? Then you should have things like this. something is wrong. Let's go back. Let's see what we got. Path, this and this. Copy it. Then you want to come here and position it and paste it. Fantastic. Then you should have things like this. Very good. Not bad actually. Not bad actually. Now, what are we gonna do? Something is wrong. Let's fix this. Let's try to fix it. Now, the next thing you wanna do now is make sure this two frame, you wanna take it something like this to the end of this animation. Then I think everything is set now. Fantastic. Come on guys, this is pretty cool. Now the next thing we want to do now is, now that we have things like this, okay, let's add some flavor to it. Let's add some flavor to it. We are getting better actually. Let us add a little bit of flavor to it. Now we will need to highlight everything here and press F9 on your keyboard to easy hit them, and your animation should look like this. Very good, very good. Now the next thing I'm just gonna do now is copy this and paste it and increase the value of this. Then your animation should look like this. Wow. Oh my god, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Now the next thing you want to do now is highlight everything, go to your graph editor, then you want to highlight everything here, then make sure you bring this forward. Okay, then you want to come here, you want to bring this a little bit forward. Then you should have things like this. Oh my god, this is awesome, fantastic. And there is that. Okay, and that is that. Very good. Now what I'm going to add I want to duplicate this. Okay, my path, I want to duplicate that. Then I'm just gonna say, let me just turn this on. I'm just gonna go to my path and I'm just gonna take this somewhere here. See that? Very good. Then I'm just gonna give it another color, maybe something like this, a little bit thicker, or things like that. Let's give it something like that. Then we should have things like this. One. Oh my god, awesome. Then we need, please take notes, we need to copy the last circle animation, copy it, then you want to come somewhere here, you want to go to somewhere here, then you need to paste it. Then you should have things like this. Oh my god, this is pretty cool, awesome, fantastic. And that's that.